Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Kibi Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to cook something different, which I'm not going to cook something that is really Asian. I'm going to cook creamy garlic chicken. So I live in Malaysia, which is a multiracial country, and we have Malay, Chinese, Indian, and also we have been governed by several European countries in the past. If you look back at the history, you will understand why. That's why we have a diverse culinary culture over here. If you ever come to Malaysia, come to Kuala Lumpur, you'll find that there are all types of restaurants. So for tonight's dinner, creamy garlic chicken. Let's start cooking. I have 2 chicken breasts here, and I'm going to pan fry the chicken breast. Since it is too thick, I'm going to slice it thinner. Otherwise, it will not be able to cook through it. Pound it with a mallet. That way will help to tenderize the meat and also will make it more even in terms of the thickness. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder. I prefer using garlic powder than raw garlic because raw garlic will tend to detach from the meat during pan frying. Do that on both sides. Prepare some flour to coat the chicken. You may want to add some salt to season it, just a little bit, and a little bit of pepper if you want. Then dredge the chicken into the flour. Shake off the excess and then set aside on a separate dish. Now it's ready to pan fry the chicken. Heat some olive oil in a pan. When the oil is heated, put the chicken into the pan and pan fry on both sides. Initially, it will stick onto the pan, but just be slightly patient. Wait for a while. After some time, it will loosen and no longer sticky. I would suggest using low to medium heat so that the chicken will cook through in the middle. Once the chicken has turned golden brown on both sides, remove it from the pan. Add the chopped onion to the oil after frying the chicken. You may add a little bit of extra olive oil if it's too little, and also the garlic. Some people prefer using chopped garlic. It really depends on you. If you just want the garlic to flavor the sauce, use chopped garlic. I use garlic cloves because I like to eat the garlic. It's pretty nice. Now add some chicken broth to deglaze the pan. Plus a little bit of mixed herbs. Some cooking cream. Oops. Alright. Parmesan. Do a taste test. Now let's return the chicken back to the pan to cook together with the sauce. Finish by adding a small piece of unsalted butter to give it an even creamier texture. Garnish with some chopped parsley, some fried garlic for additional garlic flavor. That's dinner for tonight, creamy garlic chicken. That's how to make creamy garlic chicken, and you'll be surprised how often Malaysians are enjoying non-Asian food. And I've included the recipe in the description below the video. Please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you some other times, some other videos. Bye for now.